Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you that what are arithmetic operators in PHP and how we can perform those arithmetic operators on variables in PHP. So arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and a modulus operator in. So I'm gonna perform these arithmetic operators on variables in PHP. Now I'm gonna declare and initialize two variables in PHP. Say where 1 is equal to 10 and where 2 is equal to 100. Now I'm gonna find the sum of these two variables. So here is a sum variable that will store the sum of these two variables. Now I'm gonna display the sum of these variables on the web browser by using echo statements. So the sum of these two variables will be stored in a sum variable and will be displayed on the web browser. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser and click on arithmetic.php. So here you can see that sum is 110 that is displayed on the web browser. Similarly, we can perform subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Modulus operators actually find the remainder when 100 will be divided by 10, then what will be the remainder? So we can find the remainder by using this modulus operator in PHP. And so I'm gonna find the subtraction of these two variables. Now I'm gonna copy this and paste it. So I'm gonna write here, this is addition and this will be subtraction. So here is a subtraction. So I'm gonna change the name of the sum to result. So here will be result equal to where 2 minus variable 1. So subtraction is result. Here also will be result. So here you will see that a subtraction is result, and here I'm gonna find the multiplication of these two variables. So here is multiplication is the result, and similarly division. When variable 2 is divided by variable 1, then what will be the remainder? So here will be division is. Similarly we can find this will be divided, results are divided. For example, if 100 is divided by 10, then 10 will be displayed as a division result. So I'm gonna save this file, open it in web browser. You can see that sum is subtraction is 90, multiplication is 1000 and division is 100, because when 100 is divided by 10, the division is 100. Now we can also find the remainder after division by using modulus operator. Now here you will see that modulus operator will be used here, that will find the remainder of this division. Remainder is result. Now I'm gonna save this file, open web browser, refresh the page. Here you can see that remainder is 0. It means that 100 is totally divided by 10, so there is 0 remainder, so 0 is displayed. And now similarly we can also find expression, perform operations, arithmetic operations on expression. For example, this is expression is equal to 5 plus 9 multiply 10 minus 15, 45. So I'm gonna equal the result of this expression. Result is exp, that is the name of the variable which contains the result of this expression. Now I'm gonna save this file, open it in web browser. Here you can see that the result is 50, the overall result after multiplying 9 into 10 and plus 5 in the result of 9 into 10, and the result will be subtracted by 45, then the overall result will be 50. Here you can see. So hopefully you have better understood that what are arithmetic operators in PHP and how we can use these on variables. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.